Hello everybody, hello, it's me again, your sister, your friend Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. Oh, a lady need advice from us, she need advice from us. So she now ask am say wetin be the problem. She say she get belle for man. So the pregnancy, she in with the guy don dey date before she can't get belle for the guy. You understand? So now the guy dey misbehave to am. The guy not dey show am love. She dey try maybe say everything go dey okay for them, and they come up for their country where they deal. We tell the girl say make the girl come born for another country. Okay, the girl come born now. Everything that they all those countries now way that they support children. Una understand now. So now the girl can't dey there, can't born pikin, everything can't dey okay. They can't still give the girl paper, but the girl say they misbehave. You now understand now. Those kind guys so be say they don't want to put their head for one place. The guy say they misbehave. The guy saying don't try everything, make the guy can't stay with her, make they stay together. But the guy no one can't stay. He said they misbehave to her. He said so as she can say the guy and now she get belle, she dey go work. The girl they go work, she dey work very well. And with pregnancy, this guy can't even come say one can stay. He can't see shopping or aduro. He can't the girl say okay, may he can't stay with him. The boy no one can stay with him. The boy go see follow this girl go work. With pregnancy, this girl get belle. He go follow and stay there. The girl go dey work. You know, go tell the girl say I make her help you. Nothing like that. You know, you see only the girl go work, do this one. Only the girl go dey work with pregnancy. The boy go there, they look at him. You know, we say making help him. That is some of our guys saying, I don't understand. Marriage now by force. They force you. If you don't say you don't love woman, instead you put her for bondage. You're free her. Tell her say you don't want him. And that one me, I don't understand you now. May go the show now say no love una. I will see there. What do you make you feel say it go change later? He don't love you, not love you. Even though you born 100 for him, not love you, not love you. I don't understand. We always they talk this thing all the time. Hey, man, I will not love you, not love you. Even though you even kill yourself for him, you not what you go do, it go make him love you. You know? Okay, this guy now, all those things where he don't feel the show to you, even before you can't get belle for him. Okay, you go woman will get belle. She go dey her working place. This guy go follow her dey there. You know, go say making help him even work. Eh? I don't understand some of our ladies, sha. When I not fair marry, when I fair con life. Why be say for na just see men the way body like I don't understand. This guy for the beginning, for me, waiting be see say this guy he not love this woman. I make it misbehave to her. Because if you love him, all those things way they do, if or not they do one. Even when he see say this girl get belle, he go still come the work, the girl where the girl they work. Instead when you go help the girl, tell the girl say you get belle, stay as no. He go see follow the girl, they go sit down, they press the phone there. The girl go they work. Eh? The girl go they work. It's not good now. What some of our men they do. It's not good. If you get sister, if they do all those things to you, you go like them. Okay, now. What you can make her they need advice now be say, it's ever since in the tell the boy, maybe they can stay together, maybe we made together. So that you go show say we they stay together. He said this boy say lie. You know one made with her. Okay, now. They just send letter, can't give the boy now say they want deport the boy. Say they you know if he stay the country where they say they want deport him. Now you can't know say the girl now they important. Now you can't they want go like they come the girl life again, can't they pretend again now. When I understand now. You want they pretend now like say you love our rice. No love oh. All those one are just pretend oh. You want they pretend now saying love the girl now. Make the girl, make they date together. They come they help him, they do this, you know. So now the girl now she need advice now. Say whether me sure say na love Now this boy get for am. This one I love. Nah. They don't send letter now say make she come out. My people, we go watch this video later. Now love this boy, love this girl. For this one, when he want come back now, una not feel say that because of say they say me he can't come out. Now make he want come take this girl serious now. Una believe, una feel say na love. So if una feel say not be love, any una comment, me una write una comment for down below for my video there. Mona leave una comment there. So me we see. Mona, because she need advice, so she need una comment because she go watch the video later. So anything we una talk, now she go take do something. I beg no insult to no insult for this my platform. Now advice. So make una give this girl advice whether this guy wait as he come back now love in love this girl. I've been a pretend one can see pretend come this girl life so that if you don't get what they look for, you go boof the girl. Una dey see what some men they do. Una dey see am. For me, oh, my own must be love. The girl say don't know what he want to do, and she get belle now for the boy. So she don't know what she want do, whether me she upset the boy back. So she dey whether whether we feel say na love this boy love him. You know, for me, not be love. Why it be say women, I want to talk to our ladies now. Why it be say if man go dey show you say he not love you, he go dey show you say love not there. Una go see there. Why una not dey use una brain till they know say no love for there? Okay, mo will forget this one. I beg anything wey una feel, I beg mo na write am for my comment section for YouTube. I beg, so that make she go see the comment. Then from there she go know what she go do, whether she will upset the boy back or she not go upset. And for me, I don't know whether I love with that one. No, my wife is saying I pretend that the boy did. There is one again way happen for Africa those days. You know, wetin one boy do to one girl. Agbo guys, Agbo. This one na Agbo guys. Now I want to talk to so. Because wetin una dey do sometimes e no good. Some of una I not say now. Okay, this one happen for the boy they date one Benin girl. So in with the boy no all those Agbo guys now welcome they stay Benin. So the girl they feel say the boy love and you cook for the boy, do everything. If the boy mama come everything, go they do one for them. So one day the boy mama come with one girl. As he come with one girl, he can't stay this girl this boy house. He can't bring her like his sister. So this girl don't know now. Go see go there, go cook for them. Not know he say nah his wife when the mama bring for her. Not know he say nah his wife when the mama bring for her. She not even know until when the girl can't get belle. When she can't get belle, now he can't know say nah his wife. Now they can't tell her say nah his wife, not be as girl, not be his sister. Say now his wife when the mama bring for her. The girl cry. She die, she wake up. I don't understand. You know, the girl, that period of self, and she not get herself, she nearly die. All because of wetin some men they do. When they ask the boy, why you do me this kind of thing? He say because he not fair love you, so he not fair show you with sign everything, you not get them. So as a man bring this Agbo girl come, so now this one might be wife. Why you not tell the girl at the beginning, make the girl so free find it? We wanna come to use the girl. Wanna come to use the girl. Our men, the way una tell they behave, some of una, especially Agbo guys, the one that they behave. Some of una, no, una don't do so many things and we be say some Agbo guys very wicked. They are very wicked. I'm talking out of experience. Some of Agbo guys, they are very wicked. Wicked to the core. So this one, now just I just want to talk join this video, because so that if una see, if una before una follow Agbo guys, some of them I beg make una dey look ground well, because many of them too they deceive woman. So many of them they too they deceive woman. They deceive. Some of them they are deceivers. They too they deceive woman. So that made me talk this one journal. So today now that's our sister now, because of that one. If you see anywhere see Agbo they pass like this, she go want, that is the hatred when they get for them, part 2 not them. The hatred when they get for them, part 2 you know them. So my people, I beg make una dey look man before una follow. If man dey show una say no love una, una not dey there again, una leave am, una buff am. After all, when you dey come this world, you no even know say you meet that kind of guy before. As you come meet am, you no work out, buff am, follow another person. Follow another person. That's all Lady J talk. You know not they there, they wait for the kid don't come. They there, they patient, they look whether it will change. It not go change. They don't love you, not love you. If you see woman when you love, you're not going to take on 1 month to go marry him. Fast. So I beg, if man they show now, say you not love una, mona buff am, fast. Just find a way. Man tell you now, let man the love woman pass the love what you get for the man. Because if you love the man pass, my dear, you know they work out, you know they work out at all. So if now the man love you, you see the way the thing goes sweet, he go they carry you like egg. Una no want pet, una no want make man the pet una. Una no want maybe say the man una go there with una man, una go they happy, they enjoy together. Una no want I been a suffer una just like. Una no like me man they carry una like egg. They pet una for inside house. They pet una for everywhere. They say you are my king, you are my treasure, you are my everything. Una no like those pets name. Me, I love them. I like all those pets name. So thank you everybody. And subscribe for my YouTube and share this video. And I need una comment, I beg, and no insult to. So she need una comment. So she'll sit advise herself, you know, whether not love they make this man they really come or not be loved. So thank you everybody until I come your way next time. I remain Lady J. So subscribe and share this video for me, and our hookup is still there. So if you need a responsible man and the responsible woman, please contact Lady J. I'm here for you people. So thank you, bye, and subscribe please, and thank you for my subscribers, and God will continue to bless you people for me in the name of Jesus. Amen.